We know the galaxy is full of rogue, starless planets, but what might life be like on one of them? Hi everyone, astrobiologist here to talk about the darkest, coldest places in the universe. Solar system formation is an incredibly messy process. Planets slam together, things fall into the sun, giant planets migrate and fling comets and asteroids everywhere. And by the time it's over, 10% of the mass of the solar system has been ejected. Scientists estimate that each solar system has thrown out 3 planets. The majority of these objects are small rocky planets kicked out during this intense formation period. So they're basically just big hot balls of lava that rapidly cool as they're ejected from the solar system. But just because you don't have a sun doesn't necessarily mean that you can't have life. In fact, not having a star has kind of a silver lining in that if you don't have solar wind, you have much less atmospheric escape. All that stuff that's burped out of the mantle is just caught in the atmosphere and it warms the planet. You still have sources of heat, you still have sources of cellular energy. The oceans will freeze, but oceans are deep. Many astrobiologists believe that life got started in our oceans around deep sea vents like these. Notably, it's dark down there. There's no sunlight. The things that live down there are not photosynthesizing with light, they are chemosynthesizing with chemicals. The other thing about deep sea vents is that they're hot, boiling most frequently. These things arise in situations where tectonic plates meet each other and the mantle's a little closer to the surface than usual. So, if life on Earth did get started in this kind of situation, there's no reason it couldn't also start in a situation like this on a rogue planet. What would that life look like? Well, probably not too different from our own horrors of the deep sea. They're not going to see visible light, but maybe they can see infrared light. Not going to photosynthesize, but maybe they can chemosynthesize. So life on a rogue planet, probably just as terrifying as life on the Earth. Thanks for joining me on yet another journey that ends with the terrors of the deep. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time.